Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. The topic of our today's discussion is triangles. We are going to start chapter number 13, name triangles. First of all, we have to know what are triangles. So triangle is a geometrical shape that has three sides and three angles. Any geometrical shape which has three sides and three angles is called triangle. For example, we can take a triangle like this. This triangle is triangle A, B and C. In this triangle, this one is side, this one is side and this one is side. This A is angle, this B is angle and this C is angle. So this triangle has three angles and three sides. This one and this one. We can name it AB as C, BC as A and CA as B. The small letters are representing side. Mean to say A, B and C are sides of triangle, and these capital letters are representing angles. So this is triangle having three angles and three sides. Now in triangle, any side can be called a base. For example, we can say this side as base, this side as base and this side as base. If we take AB as base, then its opposite angle, mean to say opposite angle of AB is C, will be called vertical angle. If we take BC as base, then its opposite angle is A, that is called vertical angle. So in shortly, triangle has 6 components as 3 sides and 3 angles. These components are also called elements. And in triangle, any side can be called base and the opposite angle of base is called vertical angle. Now triangle has many types by classification by sides and classification by angles. First of all, we are classifying triangle as sides. So classification by sides, triangle has three types. First one is scalene triangle, second one is isosceles triangle and third one is equilateral triangle. Scalene triangle, a triangle having all unequal sides. A triangle having all unequal sides, it means angles will also be unequal or different. Mean to say all angles are different and all sides are unequal. That triangle will be called scalene triangle. For example, we can take this triangle. For example, this side has length of 3 cm and this side has length of 4 cm and this side has length of 2 cm. These all lengths are not equal. So this is scalene triangle. If the lengths are not equal, then angles will also be not equal. We can say if there is 30, there will be 90. For example, we can take any angle totally that will become 180. 90 and 30 is equal to 120, and this angle will be 60. So these all angles are different and these all sides are different. This triangle is scalene triangle. Now isosceles triangle, it has two equal sides. Any triangle which have two equal sides is called isosceles triangle. It means the angle will also be equal to, mean to say two angles are equal, two sides are equal. There were all sides unequal and all angles were different. In this triangle, two sides are equal and two angles are equal, and third side will be different and third angle will be different. For example, we can take a triangle like this. So this side and this side is equal. We can take, this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. Two sides are equal and third side is different. The angle, for example, this angle is 60, this angle is 60, this angle is 80 and this angle is 80, and we can take this angle as 20. So these two angles are same and this third angle is different. So any triangle having two equal sides or two equal angle is called isosceles triangle. And last one is equilateral triangle. It has all sides are equal and also all angles are equal. Any triangle having all equal sides and all equal angles is called equilateral triangle. For example, this triangle, if there is 3 centimeter, there is also 3 centimeter and there is also 3 centimeter. All the sides are same, and we can take same angles. There is 60, there is 60, and there is also 60. So a triangle which have all three angles same or equal and all three sides are same or equal is called equilateral triangle. Now we are classifying triangle by angles. Classification by angles. A triangle have three types: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. First of all, what is acute angle triangle? A triangle having all three angles less than 90. Mean to say all three angles are acute. Mean to say acute angles are less than 90. So a triangle having all three angles less than 90 is called acute angle triangle. For example, equilateral triangle is acute angle triangle because its all angles are same. Mean to say 60, 60 and 60. So these all angles are less than 90. So this triangle is acute angle triangle. Now second one is right angle triangle. A triangle which have only one angle of 90. Mean to say one angle is right. Right mean 90. If any triangle have one angle of 90 and other two angles can be any different, that triangle will be right angle triangle. For example, I can this triangle This angle is 90, this is 30, and this is 60. So this triangle is right angle triangle because its one angle is of 90 and other two angles are different. This is right angle triangle. And third one is obtuse angle triangle, a triangle which have only one angle greater than 90. In any triangle, if one angle is greater than 90, then triangle will be called obtuse. We are discussing about a one angle in obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle, but in acute angle triangle all three angles were less than 90. In right angle triangle only one angle is of 90, and obtuse angle triangle only one angle is greater than 90. So we can make any diagram of obtuse angle triangle. For example, I am taking this. This angle is of 120, mean to say this is greater than 90. These two angles can be any other. For example, this is 30 and this is also 30. Totally that will be equal to 180. So this triangle is obtuse angle triangle because its one angle is greater than 120. So this was our today's topic. Allah Hafiz.